This is the Rope Masters videoKast, your source for the best in rope skipping instruction. Hosted by world champion Peter Nessler.
For this episode, we are going to be doing some more double Dutch pair skills. We've got Amber, Nicole, and Megan back with us again, and we'll be doing some, for the JV skill, we'll be doing a leg over or step over skill, which is a kind of a fun pair skill where one person steps over somebody who's squatting. And then for the varsity skill, we'll be doing a push-up and then a frog over that push-up. And they'll just be doing just one push-up with a frog over it. Once you've got that down, you can also start to make them a little bit more difficult, where you maybe start doing combinations, maybe a frog over a crab and then over a push-up, maybe two frogs over a push-up and stuff. But we're just going to kind of get you started with just how do you do one frog over a single push-up. And you know, these are kind of fun to do. They take a little bit of practice. If you don't get them right away, don't give up. Just keep working at them. And after a while, you'll be able to get some awesome pair skills in double Dutch.
The JV skill.
For the JV skill, we're going to do a leg over. We have Amber and Megan here demonstrating it for us. First of all, we need to pick who's going to be the squatter and who's going to be the person who's doing the leg over. First things first, so Amber here on the right side is going to be doing the squatting and Megan will be doing the leg over. You want the people to do opposite hands and holding it the whole time while they're doing the skill. So on my 1-2 count, soon after, Amber will squat down and Megan will go over her head with her right leg, jumping once, and going back over with her left leg, jumping once. They're going to try it outside the ropes because in double Dutch it is very important to try it multiple times outside the ropes, perfecting it out there, and then trying it inside the ropes. Okay, on my count of 1, 2, 1, 2, let's go. 1. So now we're going to try this inside the ropes here. Before we do that, it's very important that both Megan and Amber are jumping high and jumping together during the whole skill. So we can go ahead and try it. Okay, on my count. 1, 2, down. Okay. Also, as Peter and my job here is to turn very big, and as Megan's leg is going over, the ropes will slow down so that they are jumping high enough over the rope. Yeah, so we're going to demonstrate this one more time using all the skills that they've been trying. Okay. Okay. 1, 2.
Varsity skill.
Okay, so today for the varsity skill, we're going to do a frog over push-up. Amber on the left side is going to be doing a frog over Megan's legs. So first of all, we're going to try having Megan be stationary with her push-ups so that Amber knows the distance with doing her frog so that she doesn't hit Megan's legs. Now that she's got that down, we'll go ahead and try it with a count. For their purposes, we're doing a 1-2 down out count. You don't necessarily need to use that count, but you can if you'd like to. So go. Okay, so it's gonna go 1, 2. So if you notice here, Megan's doing one push-up and Amber's doing one frog right over her legs here. It's very important that both of them keep jumping high with their hands as well as their legs and just making sure that they're getting over the ropes. So Peter and I are going to turn it. Our turning job here is to make sure that we're going to their pace. They're going to either go faster or slower doing the skill, and we're going to be going faster or slower with them. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and try this inside the rope. One, two. Okay. And that's how we do the frog over push-up.
For more information, check out www.jumprm.com.